In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see subscribers on Squarespace. First, start by heading to your Squarespace account dashboard and signing in. Once you're in, click Dashboard to view your sites, then choose the site you want to work with. Select Go to Website to open that site's backend. This takes you into the editor and settings area where you manage content, commerce, and your audience. On the left-hand menu, open the website section to reveal more options for your site. From there, go into Products and Services, which is where Squarespace groups tools related to what you offer and who interacts with your brand. Inside that area, click Contacts. This is the central place for your audience profiles, customers, newsletter signups, and anyone who has shared their information with you through your site. Within Contacts, look for Lists and Segments. Open that to see Squarespace's built-in audience groupings. Lists are static groups you can manage, and segments are dynamic filters based on behavior or attributes. Choose Subscribers. This view focuses on people who have opted into your communications and is the best place to review your active email audience. To narrow in on the latest activity, select New Subscribers. This section highlights the most recent signups so you can quickly understand how your list is growing and who just joined. It's especially helpful after launching a new form, a checkout opt-in, or any other lead capture on your site. Inside the Subscribers table, you'll notice column headers that you can click to sort. Email shows the subscriber's email address, which is the key identifier in your list. First name and last name help you personalize messages. Sorting by these can be handy for spotting duplicates or testing merge tags later. Subscriber, since displays the exact date and time someone joined so you can see trends or confirm whether a campaign or forum drove new signups. Subscriber source tells you where the signup happened, such as a forum, a promotional element, or a checkout opt-in, making it easier to attribute growth. Accepts marketing indicates whether the person gave explicit permission to receive your marketing emails. If someone hasn't accepted marketing, avoid sending promotional messages to that address. It's always a good practice to email only those who have consented and to keep your contacts organized around clear permissions. If you see a notice that says no new subscribers yet, that simply means your list doesn't have recent additions. Squarespace gives you a couple of helpful actions right from here. You can choose to set up a promotional pop-up, which is a quick way to collect emails with an incentive or announcement. Keep the message short, offer clear value, and limit how often it appears so it's effective without being intrusive. You can also select Create Campaign to start building your first or next email. Draft a simple welcome or update, and remember to point readers back to your site content or offer. Starting from these options helps you grow the list you're reviewing without leaving the context of your audience. When you're finished exploring the new subscribers view, use the navigation at the top to go back to Lists and Segments. From there, open Subscribers again to return to your main list. This makes it easy to switch between the big picture and the most recent additions, compare sources, and sort the columns however you need. That's the full path. Open your account dashboard, pick your site, go to Website, then Products and Services, then Contacts. From there, head into Lists and Segments, choose Subscribers, and drill into New Subscribers to see the latest signups. Use the column headers to sort and understand who joined, when they joined, how they found you, and whether they've consented to marketing. And if your list is just getting started, the built-in options to set up a promotional pop-up or create a campaign are right there to help you grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.